Hey birds, how's it going? Well, happy Thanksgiving. As you know, it's a special day for birds like you. And I'm sorry to say that you're about to get stuffed. I made some stuffing, apple, peas, and earthworms. Your favorite? So, here you go. And I got a second stuffing just for you. There you guys go. Happy Thanksgiving. Don't get too stuffed. I'm very sorry. Very sorry I had to do this. But you're definitely getting stuffed now. Oh, don't get distracted. Yeah. You just threw that earthworm. Oh, yeah, she'll take it. Hey, she's getting your... Oh, you don't want to get stuffed. I understand. Nice. All your favorite things in one thing. Yeah, right? I know, you might be a little confused. That's what holidays are all about. So being a little confused. Oh yeah, buddy. Yeah, you can be thankful. Yeah, because the worms made that sacrifice for you, buddy.
I don't think
She doesn't get it. She's like, what the hell is a bowl? Yeah, you should just dump it out for her. She'll get it a lot better that way. Yeah, you too, big guy? Yeah, perhaps you prefer that.
still in the worms.
Oh, he's still in the worms. Oh, there you go. Oh, now he's getting stuffed. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, buddy. Wow, they're actually leaving the peas behind. It's often their favorite. Really showing their true colors here. Oh, there you go. Oh yeah. Oh, just getting all the peas now, huh? Oh, okay, so the apples are the third tier of the stuffing, I suppose.
Yeah, they love apples.
Yeah. Not as much as worms and peas. Oh, was that a worm? Oh man, he's getting so stuffed. Oh, we might have to make more of this if he doesn't get stuffed enough. Oh, she's just running around in circles. She's like, I'm only interested in the worms here. And I suspect there's more. Yeah, every once in a while. Yeah, just to fuel her. To fuel the search, yeah. Alright, well, you're welcome. I guess that bird is stuffed. Happy Thanksgiving.